Hello everybody, Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. Here we are again. Yet another gaming computer with issues. Let me just go ahead and take off this glass cover here. This got brought into me exactly as you see it. I haven't even opened this up. It's been laying flat. And of course we have a video card just laying down in here. Let me tell you a story about this computer. What's the story behind this computer? This is a RTX 4060. Yeah, okay. The story behind this computer is that he started having crashing under load, and I think he was also trying to game. He wasn't getting good for FPS and he was crashing. So what he did was he contacted somebody off of Fiverr. Now, if you don't know what Fiverr is, it's a website to where in general for $5 you can get things done. I guess there's a computer repair person or a computer guy on Fiverr that charges for doing diagnostics. So basically I think he let the guy on his computer from Fiverr, and the guy on Fiverr, just from looking at the computer, remoting in, said, it's your motherboard. Okay, I don't know how in the world the guy knows that. Whatever, just from remoting into a computer. Whatever. I don't know what he paid him. Hopefully no more than $5. Still, it's kind of a scary thought, isn't it? Anyways, this guy went out after taking the man's advice, and he bought a new motherboard. Bought a new motherboard after listening to a guy on Fiverr tell him that his motherboard's bad. Anyway, what had happened there is he went to try to go install it. He got a little confused and realized that he was in a little far over his head. That's basically where we are today. So I don't know the hardware in here. I don't know the processor. I don't know any of that. I do know he's got a 4060 video card. Just a 4060, and if he's trying to game and not getting good frame rates, yeah, that could have something to do with it. This board is just floating around in here. It does have power connectors plugged in. Some SATA plugs here. I'll have to check to see what those go to. Okay. All right, there is the board. Let's test this. Kind of got everything hooked up here with my power supply. This is all his parts, including his RAM. Let's just see if we get it to post here. And we have power. And he has one 16 gig stick of DDR4 RAM. Okay, let's just stop everything right here. It just hit me with this particular motherboard and processor. There is an i7 6700 processor in this computer, which means that the motherboard is a socket 1151, which therefore means that this hardware here, motherboard processor, is like over 13 years old. This is 2025. This guy paid over $1,000 for this computer. He's absolutely gotten ripped off. Let's have a closer look. That's right, 13 years old. And they threw in a 4060 video card. This is designed for a PCI Express 4 slot. This board only supports PCI Express 3. So even though this card will work in this computer and on this motherboard, you're only going to get 3 speeds. And that is not good for a customer that paid $1,000 and swore he was getting a fairly powerful gaming system. With all these fans, I'll show you here in a minute on the back side of this computer, and it's all about the bling, but it even gets worse. He's only got 1 stick of RAM, of course, we talked about that. That's in single channel mode. This is a disaster. You have to be so careful when you purchase pre-builts. You have to know and check, do your homework to know what you're looking for when it comes to these pre-built desktop computers. Wow, okay, check this out. Just open the other side panel, the back panel. Okay. Well, we have a 120 gig SSD here, nice. But look at that, though. Wait, what is that? What in the world is that? What those are, everybody, my friend? A blast from the past. In today's world, that is ancient. These are Molex, daisy-chained Molex connectors. Oh, look, with little instructions on them, too. Ha! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Molex connectors. How about that, everybody? Wow, I haven't seen that in a very long time. Talking about cutting corners. Whatever company built this computer, they called Guardian. It's all I know. Right down here, down in this area here, is a mechanical hard drive. So that's what we're kind of looking at. It's a SATA mechanical hard drive, just so you know. So here you go, you power this on, look what you get. Wow, oh, look at all those RGB fans. This is an awesome machine. No, it's not an awesome machine. He has been ripped off. We're also going to upgrade him to an SSD, M.2. He's been had 6 ways to Sundays. I mean, even that card is not the... I mean, you want to talk about a card that isn't that great. The 4060 isn't all that great. Anyway, he's going to go with what he's got with some new parts and everything. So, oh goodness, I hate to see things like this, but like I say, we're going to get him right. So we're going to have to pretty much upgrade everything. I'm going to get him a PCI Express 4 compliant motherboard, which he's already purchased. We're going to use 2 matched pairs of some RAM that's at 3200 gigahertz of speed, which is a lot better. We're going to get him a 12th gen Intel processor going into this thing. Oh my gosh. And then but he just wants to go along with this 4060. But all in all, once we do that, he's going to be running so much better. Again, everybody, hey, if any of you fell victim to something like this, where you thought you were purchasing a sweet, fast rig and it ended up being a lot less powerful than you thought, let me know down in the chat. I'd like to read your stories there about that, or if you know somebody who has fallen victim to that, let me know. I'd like to know about that. But we're going to get this guy right. Yeah, baby, this is a great machine. Hey, I'm Tim with Tim's Computer Repair. See you soon.